Welcome to Profit Guru. I'm Cassandra Barney, and this is the place to be for all things Amazon selling related, plus other ways that you can be making money online. Now, today, I want to share with you guys one of my favorite ways to make passive income online, and that is by making eBooks.
Hi, I'm Cassandra Barney with Profit Guru. I'm a teacher, mother of 3, and Amazon FBA seller. Here at Profit Guru, we're dedicated to trying strategies out and continually improving our own software to help other Amazon sellers just like you.
Now, there's a few reasons why this is my favorite. Number 1, it's super easy to do. It can be done in less than a day. Number 2, it's free to do. And number 3, it is a great way to passively have income. Now, by that, I mean, yes, you are making some time into putting your book together, but then it's on autopilot. Once you put in the time, there's no more time invested. You upload it to places to sell, and you're making money over and over and over again while you're not doing anything. So in order to make an ebook, first, you have to have a topic. And really, it can be anything. So think about something that you feel you are exceptionally good at and that you could explain to other people how to do. Maybe you're into gardening and you want to put together an ebook on different tips on how to garden. Or you might be really good at cooking and have a lot of different recipes and different tips and tricks for cooking. Exercise, literally anything can be put into an ebook format or a how-to guide and sold as some income online. So let me show you exactly how to do this using Canva. So you're going to need to head to canva.com. You'll notice here that I do have the Pro plan, which it's only $12.99 a month, but you completely do not need the Pro plan. You can just use the free version and you'll get everything that you need. The only reason why I like the Pro plan is because if I find a template that I really like and then I notice it's Pro and I can't use it, I already had it set in my head that I wanted it. So I like having the Pro plan just because I use Canva nearly every day, so I do get my money's worth out of it. But let me show you how you can do this for completely free, and I won't use anything that has to do with the Pro version. You're going to want to come down here to the search and either type in US letter or A4 document. Now from here, you can see that there are a ton of templates already made up for you. But we're going to go right up to the blank. Over in the search bar, you're going to want to type in ebook. Now you can see all of the templates that pop up and are already created for you. So if you're not really good at creating your own, you can just choose one here that's already been done. So if you hover over a template, right here in the corner, it will tell you how many pages there are on that template. In the other side, if you see a crown, that means that that's only available with the Pro plan. So this one, for example, nothing pops up. So I know it's free, but it's only one page. So let's try to find one that has quite a few pages on it, and that is free. Okay, so this one here is free, and I can see that it has 8 different pages available already built for me. So let's click on this template. Now here's all of the different pages that are in the template. So for the first page, my cover page, I'm going to just click right here and add. Now, when you're thinking about the title and the topic of your book, you're really going to want to ask yourself, what problem am I fixing for somebody? Then in the title, you're going to want to use keywords and be very specific so that the buyer knows exactly what problem you're going to be solving for them by the time they're done reading this book. So really good topics to stay in are going to be things like happiness, money, health, and love. You're going to want to be very clear as to what the reader is going to get out of it, be able to learn, or be able to do by the time they're done reading your book. Now, everything here, you can just click on and edit. The pictures, you can change those as well. You can edit the image, or you can come over here to uploads and upload your own image. If there's an element that you don't like, all you need to do is click on it and you can come right over here to the top right and hit the garbage can, or just hit the backspace on your keyboard. If you did something and you decided that you want to undo it, you'll just come right up here to this back arrow. So now I'll click and just put in my title. If I wanted to change the font size, I could just come right up here and type in my size that I wanted, and then just start typing over top. How to get rich. A little smaller. I could also keep it big and just drag it and pull it out. Maybe I want to get rid of that. Working. Pull that. online. So I could pull the words around and change where the positions are. I could pull the pictures up. Literally everything you can edit. You can even add in more things. So say I wanted to maybe put a money symbol up here instead of this leaf. I could get rid of that leaf, hitting the backspace. And then right from the elements, I'm going to type in money. For the ones with the crown, I can see that those ones are not free. If I just wanted a photo, I could click here and make sure I'm only seeing the photos. So this is exactly why I have the Pro plan, because my eyes draw me to this one, and that's one that I want to use. But that's only available with the Pro plan. So if you didn't have the Pro plan, then you would have to use something different. So maybe that one. I could click this picture, backspace to get rid of it, and replace it with that instead. There's a frame behind it though, so I'm going to want to get rid of that frame too. And we'll pull this right down there. So since they're working online, maybe I want to put something in there about like a laptop. So let me just pull that, make the money. I'm going to come back over here and put laptops. Nope, I like that one. Pro, can't use that one. Go over to all. I'm just going to make it bigger so I can grab it. And I'll resize it by pulling. Maybe I want to change the font. I can come over here and change the font. Make that bigger. Everything is completely customizable. You can add in as much as you want. So say this was good for my title page. Now I could go and say add another page. I'm going to want to come back up here to the template and see what other pages are available. So right here, I could click and insert a table of contents. Again, I would want to change these pictures, and the rest, I would just click on it and type what I wanted to type in instead. So say that page was good, add a new page. You're not just stuck with this template too. So if you decided to go and look at a different ebook of templates, you could bring that in and start pulling and mixing and matching templates up. So say I wanted to get rid of this. Over here with the text, if you click that, then you can choose what type of text. If you want a heading, you go to click there. You can also go through and see some of the other fonts that they have. They have some fun ones on here. A lot of the fonts do require the Pro plan, but they do have a lot that don't. Like this thank you one, that's free. That's a really nice font. Click on the background if you wanted to change the background of your book instead of what's there. You could change that up. So the uploads, again, is how you put your own pictures in. The elements is how you search, and the templates are where you're pulling your pages from. So it is super easy to use, and literally you could build your own ebook in an hour. Now, once your ebook is built, now you need to go and put it somewhere for sale so you can start making some passive income on it. So the next, you're going to want to head over to Kindle Direct Publishing. So to get here, you'll type in kdp.amazon.com. So with this, what you're going to do is you're going to upload that book that you just made in Canva right into Kindle Direct Publishing. And it is very easy to do, and it's free. So you'll want to come to Bookshelf. We'll go back to Canva really quick and download that book that we just made. So I could scroll back through any page and start editing them. I can come right up here and change the title. So now that I saved my title, I'm just going to come right here and click Share and Download. So you'll download this right to your computer. And then you'll come here to the Bookshelf again and hit Create. We are creating a Kindle ebook. Now I'll go through and add all of my Kindle ebook details, which is really fast to do. So you'll want to do the title. If you're interested in making a series around a specific topic, you could put in which series number it is, or an edition number, put in your name for the author, if there's any contributors. Now right here, you're going to want to do a really good description of your book. Again, keeping in mind, What is my book doing to help somebody? What problem am I fixing for them? What will they be able to do by the time they're done reading this? So be very clear and concise and specific in your description so that your buyer knows exactly what to get from the book. If you're not ready to publish it yet, if your book's not completely done, you can actually put it on pre-order so that it's out there and people can get excited about it before it's actually released. But if you're ready to upload, you'll just go, I'm ready to release my book. On this page, we're going to upload the ebook manuscript. So we downloaded it right here. Then we're going to want to make a really nice cover using Canva and open it right here. Then once you're done with your cover, the next step is to go to the pricing page. Uploading to Kindle Direct Publishing is a really great place to put your book because Amazon already has a huge audience of buyers on there. Yes, you are uploading it for free. However, they are going to want a piece of the pie. So the best price to price your ebook at is between $2.99 and $9.99 because putting it in this price frame gives you 70% royalties. If you go lower than that or higher than that, then you're going to receive lower royalties. There's also other ways that you can start promoting your book now that it's up, and the best way is using social media. So if you are a blogger or someone who enjoys writing, you should start a blog, especially if you're serious about making a lot of ebooks, because these blogs, then you can start utilizing other social media like Pinterest, putting up ads on Pinterest that are going to funnel back to your blog, which are going to funnel them to your ebooks. If you don't want to go that far, you could just use your own personal accounts, use your Facebook, use your Instagram, use your Pinterest, and start putting up posts about your ebook. No one's going to know about it unless you are advertising it. So use all of these modes of free advertisement as you can. Now, one other little tip to mention is if you are interested in selling ebooks, but you're not a good writer, there are a ton of people who make a ton of money off of books that they never even wrote. So an option would be if you have an idea in mind for a book, but you don't want to actually write it, go to Upwork. I'm serious when I tell you, people do this all the time. They find writers on Upwork who are really good writers. They give them the idea or tell them a book to read and then base the idea off of this book, give them some type of concept in mind, and somebody else can do the writing for you. You pay them for those services, you get the writing piece, and then you are going to upload it as your own and get passive income off of it. So hopefully this was a good tutorial for you guys so that you can see why you should start making your own ebooks today. It is completely free, completely easy, and a great way to be making money years after your work is done. All right, hit that subscribe button and I will see you next week with more ways that you can be making money online.